Hi guys, good morning. Today we'll see a business analyst certification maintenance summer 24. Right. So we have the multiple choice a module is there. So we'll see what are the questions and what are the answers for that. Right. So total here we have seven questions is there. Let's see one by one. The first one is what? So which feature provides a count of how many permission set groups a specific permission set is included in? Which one? So that is permission sets. Next, so how can a Salesforce admin view which users have access to account records that are shared manually? So how? So use the account share object to create a custom report type. Next, so how can a Salesforce admin efficiently view public group members without running queries on each public group? Right. So create a report type that uses a group member as the primary object. Next, so which default feature helps prevent unauthorized access to a Salesforce accounts? So that is a multi-factor authentication. Next, so what is a new name of enablement permission, formerly known as a designer and a deliver enablement programs? Right, manage all enablement features. Next, so how can Einstein for a service enable users to add their orgs knowledge base? Hmm, we can go for D. So users can generate knowledge articles, drafts from conversion transcripts. Right. The next. So what new my domain setting helps users to prepare for future restrictions on third-party access to Salesforce cookies. Right. So we require a first-party use of Salesforce cookies. Then, so we have a check the quiz option is there now. Just click on that. So see, we completed a business analyst certification maintenance 2024. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.